Well, the Montana Highway Patrol recently released its annual report, and it says 2018 had the fewest highway deaths here in Montana since 1989. According to the report, there were 168 fatal crashes, resulting in 182 fatalities last year. That's the lowest since 1989, when there were 181 fatalities. Now, last year also marked the lowest number of crashes since 2015.
What I'm very happy to report is this year, until July, we had no fatal crashes in Cascade County or the whole district of the Highway Patrol up here.
And during July, that figure changes because for the fourth time in the last 5 years, this was the deadliest month on Montana roadways.
In the summer, because the conditions are good, we may get a little more relaxed when we shouldn't be, and as a result, we're not noticing curves, we're not noticing vehicles turning or stopping in front of us, and then we crash.
And a positive takeaway from that report is that seatbelt usage rates are up. According to the State Highway Traffic Safety Bureau, seatbelt use on Montana roadways was at an all-time high, topping 86% in 2018. That's nearly a 10% jump from the year before.